Yep. Today we got an awesome thing here. We got a package from a company called MISODIKO. Now, this is not a sponsored video. These products are bought by me, and these are things that I actually use. This here is headphone covers. You see this? Comes on certain headphones, and throughout the time, they decay, they get bad, they break, right? Well, the audio technicers have a tendency of throughout time, some people quicker than others, they start cracking. I don't know if you can see those lines there. I'm pretty sure you can. It's like a cut there, right? And on top of that, they like a super pleathery type of feel and or leathery, right? But it's pleather. It wouldn't break that way, right? And look, here's more lines. And not only that, they make you sweat like profusely, very bad, while you have them on. That's the only problem with these to me. Some people don't have a problem with it. They put it on. They're not going to be streaming that long anyway. But we make content in real time. So let's get to it and let's check these out and see if they're any good. Now, the ones that I received are the cooling gel. Well, they supposed to be. So this is the company. They put it pretty cool. I'm big on the packaging, so the headphones whole theme thing is cool. Let's see what's inside here now. Oh, whoa, they puffy. So this is what you're gonna get in here. Pop. Oh man, off top, they are super cushiony. Oh my god. This could be good or bad. So, but for the most part, this is one thing that was killing me when I seen it before I order it, is that it says cooling gel, right? And then the other side, which we're gonna show you in a second. Oh, they both do. Oh, they both do. Okay, so it says cooling gel and MISODIKO on the other side. Stop putting your name on everything on people's products when they buy it. That is annoying. You got some people that are probably like me. I don't want to be representing a brand wherever I go on the side of my Audio Technicas. They Audio Technicas. They not MISODIKOs. You know, I don't know. It's just weird to me at times. But other than that, they cool. If you don't have a problem with it, you know, I honestly thought that they was just on one side and that I was going to be able to hide that towards the back. So, I don't know. Maybe I could put them this way, but they don't go that way. To start making them get adjusted to this other way. I don't know. Nah, it's going to be weird. It's definitely going to be weird. But, I don't know. I guess it's pretty cool. If you don't have a problem with that. Other than that, that's the only con that I had. Was their name on them, like you having to rock your headphones with that on it. But other than, it's cool. The lettering is cool. It's shiny. It looks like it's gonna stand out. It's not too big. So let's put these bad boys on and see how they work. So this is where we part ways with this. You want to stick your finger in here and pull right out. Do you believe in magic? Bling. So it comes right out there. And we're going to take the other one out the same way. Bling. There you have it. Those are your very not so good. But I'm a be real, because the only thing I know how. On and off, I use these headphones, but I use them pretty much a lot. I had these headphones since 2018. We in 2022. I could have bought, and I have other headphones, but I could have bought the latest uh tech headset that's out right now if we really wanted to, right? But you're never gonna find uh audio reference monitors, headphones like these. I promise you. The link will be in the description to these too. I think they're like $50. You hear all the gameplay so clear of your gaming. You hear the footsteps. You hear, oh man, it's awesome. The music is like you right there. You hear every instrument. So you don't need a setup with monitor speakers or reference speakers for sound or music production, because it's right in these headphones. You get it? I just took the time out to wipe them off with some alcohol, like being that we already here. You get it? So you gotta bear with me. It's my first time putting these on. This is the left. Right? I would want to think this is my left side. Okay, let's see. So you're trying to get it in this line there. There's like a line on your headphones right here, and you want to place it there. Pop. But you can stick your finger in them. You put your fingers in them, and you're trying to put the leather part in there, a little something. And it's gonna go in. Don't worry. For these, I seen it was a little easier, and other ones I seen people use like these little tools. I don't know. If it don't work this way, then we'll use the little tool. All right. So I think as you go along, the using your fingers is what's gonna work to get them in there. Yep. They're almost on. This is the real timing. Okay, there we go. There we go. So for the people that had a lot of complaints about this, like you got one or two people in the reviews, this is easy, the easiest thing to put on once you get the hang of it. But these are cool, bro. These are awesome. And again, I got like these red and black pads that I ordered and all that. And I want to make it even cooler, like with coloration. I just ordered these to see what it'd be like just to even change these and have a different feel in your headset. But the only con, and I'm going to say it again, that bothers me is their name on it. But it's cool. It lets people know you customized your headphones. So I mean, once you get them in there and they perfectly aligned, I think they're awesome, and I think it's definitely a bang for your buck. They're only $22. I'll put the link in the description. It looks kind of good now with the name and all that. I'm not even, and it's like a customized. It turns like purplish blue color type thing. It's cool. It's cool. But they super awesome. Look at how puffy it looks now compared to these two little skinny things that were in there. Uh, uh, they look good here because of the coloration, probably. But believe me, they cracked. They all cracked. You could probably see them more there. I don't know, but they definitely cracked. You see those lines? Which is something I could have dealt with. It wasn't too bad, but it was just time to switch these up. And once I figured out that, oh snap, you know what? I could change these instead of having to see what headphones I'ma buy, what I'ma do. This headphone's no good. That headphone's no good. This one's $300. The other one is $200. When I could just upgrade my own headphones that I love. Link in the description. And this is a cooling gel, so no more sweating, hopefully. Stay tuned for the update. Woo!